any food to my head. From up there in the road came to me. He's asking for his food. I'm gonna give his banana. I'm gonna give you your banana. Just stay right there. Okay, wait. I'm gonna get your banana. There. Here's your banana. Hmm? Oh, you don't like it. Here, come and eat. Here. Two. Take the banana. Go.